back. So today I bought one Japanese fountain pen. It's Sailor Pro Gear Storm Over the Ocean. So this is how it looks. I think it looks really pretty. I like the color combo. Not only this, I also have two more Sailor. And the nib size, the recent one that I bought is an EF. The Ginzan Snow Gray, this one is F. And the Spicy is MF. I'll do a little line variation comparison. So why don't I ink this up now. So it is coming out pretty thin. Now I'm trying the F. I mean, I can see it right away that the F nib is thicker than the EF nib for sure. And now I'll be trying the MF. MF, the ink that I'm using is a little bit light, so it might be a little bit hard to compare it, but I hope we can just, get the sense of it. It's definitely thick. I think it's kind of like in between EF and F of European brands. Yeah, it's definitely thicker. Actually, I wasn't expecting a difference from EF to F, but visually I can see the difference. F is thicker than EF. I mean, F is also very thin, thinner than the any typical European EF nib, but EF is coming out even thinner, so I'm pretty happy about it. I mean, I always go for the thin nibs, so this is great. Let me do the size comparison. So these three are the only ones that I have at the moment, which is Lamy and the Montblanc 146 and the Kaweco Sports. So this is about the size. And with the cap off, it's about this size. The Kaweco I posted because we usually post when we write. So I would say it's pretty small. I mean, I wish it was slightly longer, like slightly, maybe like half a centimeter longer. I don't know why they make it too short, but it's still writable, I guess it's okay. If the Pilot is specialized on the nib, Sailor is usually specialized on the body. They have so many variations. Even the one that I have, one is transparent, one is translucent, one is solid. Some of them is like frosted. Even the end is all in different materials. Even the cap, some has a glitter, some doesn't. It's all different, so anybody who likes to collect one certain brand, Sailor could be like one of the brand that you can have fun with. And even the converter, they all comes in like 10 colors or something, like white, black, and yellow and red, all sorts. So it's a really fine brand. And if you like a scratching sound, Sailor is one of the brand that has a very nice scratching sound. Yeah, so I did a little bit of testing and it comes out pretty even though it's a very thin nib. And the grip was fine, I think. Nothing that was uncomfortable. It was very nice. And also very light too. And I like how the purple color like moves while I use the pen. So the color combo is quite intriguing. Yeah, so I'm pretty satisfied with it. Okay, so this was my quick unboxing the Sailor Pro Gear Storm Over the Ocean, and hope you guys enjoyed it.